morning? Excited. I heard good. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Our day is beginning. There's so much to do. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is what? Wednesday. The new month. It starts with the letter what? What's that? Letter M. Very good. M-A-R-C-H. Say March. Very good. So, let's count to see that date. 1, 2. So today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Let me hear you say Wednesday. March 2nd. What's the year? 2022. Yes. All right. I'm going to reach up. You got it? All right. Let's say this Sunday of the week. Let's go. Sunday. Monday. All right. Let's get nasty. Let's go over here. All right. Where are we going, Tayon? Going back to where? Where are we going? Are we driving? What's that? Do you see more trees in your safari drive? Are the trees tall, Sam? Okay. Are they tall or are they short? Oh, Taylor said there's so many. What animals do you see? You see what? A gorilla and a prairie.
Oh, you're making sure you don't squish them? What are you making though? A house. Oh, a couch. Uh-oh. I think Leah's squishing the couch. Yeah, put it like this. So you don't squish it. Kanan, are you helping Nyla build her couch?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to put the stuff in the way.
This story is The Wig, written by Ken Eichel, illustrated by Meryl Rainey. So the first thing that we're going to do is take a look. We're going to take the left, turn the pages and tell me what you see.
Wow, I see her. I see her taking books.
Oh, why do you think she's confused?
And I
What makes you think she's confused?
see her getting stuff inside.
But look at her face. What about her face tells you that she might be a little confused?
And I see the dog's wearing a wig.
Look at her. Look at her. Go back to her. What is she doing with her face? You said she was
And I
confused.
see that the
What's she doing that makes you think she's confused? Yeah, the way she's looking. Good job. Put your mask up there.
And her dog is wearing the wig. Is the dog the is that a Is that
Maybe. I think
I see a clown. I see the dog.
Is that the dog or is that a different character?
This is the dog right there.
Oh, that's a different character.
I see a dog. I see the dog is kind of
What do you see?
I see the dog.
It looks like they might be having some type of show.
Yeah, they fight.
Oh, you took the hair off. Okay.
And the dog hit her. What is who is this?
I'm Mariah.
The dog.
Take your picture off. You're done. Start to read a little. Okay, let's go back to the first page so we can find out who these characters are. Come on, we're going to start together. Alright, so it says, Jen needs a wig for her job, but her wig is missing. Where might Jen's wig be? Turn and talk to a partner about where you think her wig might be. Go.
Her wig is on the dog. Her wig is on the dog. It's on the dog. Why you say
Alright, and it sounds like everybody said they think that the wig is on the dog.
It's right here.
Alright, so let's see. First, we gotta go over these letters. What letter is this?
J.
J is a consonant. And what sound does the letter J? What sound? Good. And which consonant is this? W. What sound does W? Good job. And we have words to know. Our first word is do. Do. Can you say do? Spell do for me. Good job. What's the beginning? Good. The letter D makes the sound. Spell it again. Spell it again. What's the word? Good job. Let me think of a sentence for do. How about? Oh, you have one. What's your sentence?
Do you have a cupcake?
Oh, is that what kind of sentence is that? Is that a
Question.
That's a question.
Alrighty, friends, we're going to review our high frequency words of the week. Today, when we review our high frequency words, we're going to write them down on our whiteboard and we're going to stomp out each letter. Can we do the first one together as a practice?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to show you how I do it first. This word is warm. W-A-R-M. Awesome. Let me see you write the word warm on your whiteboard and hold it up. Oh, Drew's already doing our secret. If you can find the bossy R in this word, I want you to underline the bossy R. Awesome. Go ahead and check with your neighbor. Omar, you don't have a marker, bud? You have a marker, Omar? I got one. Alright, awesome. Who here found the bossy R in that word? Good job. Are we ready for our next word, friends? Alrighty. What do you think the genre of our text is today, and how do you know? I want to hear with a raised hand. Go ahead, Riley. What's the genre of our text? It's a poem. Riley, how do you know this text is a poem?
Because I read a little bit of it.
You read a little bit of it, so what helps you know that this text is a poem?
Because it doesn't go like all the way to there. It doesn't go all the way to the back.
Friends, Riley's noticing something about the format of our text. Riley noticed that our text is broken down. The words aren't going all the way across the page. Do you remember what it's called when our words in a poem are laid out in chunks like this? What was that, Reagan? Stanzas. We have a poem that's broken down. Can you count how many stanzas we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 4 stanzas in our poem.
I see Ramadan, good will. Did you guys find it? Now clap. Now sing it loud. Can't hear you. Now clap your hands.
Oh, stop.